Hey guys, Tim here with Collision Edge. Recently you guys have probably seen a lot of guys posting pictures of merchandise that I sent out for Motivated Painters. And I wanted you guys to know, and I guess I had some unintended consequences with this. You know, when I sent this out, I sent it out to just randomly thank people who obviously hadn't gone out of their way to ask me for things and you know, whatever. This is not a contest. The purpose of this video is not for me to get more likes or shares or anything like that. The purpose of this video is to help you guys understand, as the people that follow Collision Edge, that we appreciate all of our fans. And just because we didn't send you something, please don't take offense. But what I did was Gabriel was doing a thing and he said, you know, I'm trying to raise money for a thing at his church for a mission trip, I think is what it was. I can't remember, I'm getting old. But we ordered a handful of stuff from him, basically everything we thought we could. We used our whole marketing budget because our marketing budget is that big. You guys might be familiar with Collision Edge. We're a small little family company. And anyway, so I wanted to let you guys know that just because you didn't get something doesn't mean we don't love you. You guys that did happen to get something, thank you so much for your support. And you know, we're going to continue to try to engage with this industry and solve problems. Look, I got stickers. If anybody wants stickers, I got my tape thing goes here, stickers. If you guys want one of those, DM me, give me your address. I'll send you some of those out. And we'll be doing some more stuff along the way. But I want you guys to know from my heart that it really means a ton when we see people that are supporting our mission. If you guys don't know this, Collision Edge was started out of the love of our children, to help our children get where they needed to be with their education. So we don't take any salary out of this. We're not a mega corporation. We work every day. We're out here tonight. Right now it's almost 10 o'clock and we're working right now to try to, you know, help customers solve their problems and at the same time help our kids understand the value of money. And you know, the things you do for love are very important. And I guess recently what I've learned is that the most important things you ever do are the ones that nobody thanks you for. The most important things you do are for the people that you know can't give back, right? Or don't give back, because you do it just out of love. And that's what we're about here. We do what we do out of love. We believe that all of our products immediately solve problems and immediately pay for themselves. And you know, that's what our drive and passion is to help people. And at the same time, teach our kids the value of money. But anyway, so tonight, I just want to make sure, please, I didn't want anybody to get their feelings hurt. We basically, you know, helped Gabriel out with a fundraiser he was doing. And I didn't keep any of the merchandise. I just sent it all back out because, you know, I've got some of Gabriel's stuff already. I love it. You guys ought to check it out. Motivated Painters. He's got a website. He's got some really cool merchandise on it. Also, Miguel and Connie, Refinish Culture. You guys check their stuff out. There's a lot of guys, and that's the cool thing about this industry is it's big, but it's small at the same time. We're all trying to help each other. We're all trying to do the same thing. And you know, there's a lot of people with some really, really pure intentions in this industry. You know, Eric Hyde, Jeremy Winters, KB Collision, I'm gonna throw them out there. Rob Paddock. There's just guys that love to help people. Urethane Kingpin, you know, Mike Cohen. I mean, all these guys are just trying to help, trying to make the industry better. I mean, in a lot of cases, we're even competitors. That's okay, because a rising tide floats all boats. So we feel like Collision Edge does that. We want to help everybody do better. And we feel like that that's going to, in the end, is really going to be our legacy. So thank you so much for your support and for sharing our products. Check out at Collision Edge on Instagram, at Collision Edge on Facebook. We've even got a YouTube channel now. It's really tiny. It's not very good. But we're getting better at that. Hopefully we'll be good like Gabriel one day or some of these other guys. Paint Society is another one. You guys got to check out Paint Society. Candy and Chrome. There's just tons and tons of guys who have supported us that we try to support back. And we feel like we're part of something, and we want you guys to feel like you're part of something. So I just want to thank you from the bottom of my heart for everything you've done to support myself and my family. And you know, the products we sell, we try to bring good quality products to the market. And you know, we don't get a lot of dissatisfied people, but I'll tell you this, if you're ever dissatisfied, you can reach out to me right here, and we will take care of you. Anyway, so thanks so much for your time, and thanks again for your support, and we will catch you later. Thanks a lot.